How to trade on Steam without waiting for 15 days. Now, this method is quite straightforward and a very easy process to do. As long as you follow along, you should be able to do this on your own. Now, the very first thing that you have to do or to keep in mind that you are fully verified with Steam account, and you will also need to do the two verification or the authenticator process in Team, which is going to be the Steam Guard. Now to check on that, just log in to your Steam account and then head over to the Steam option right here and then go to the settings. Now while you're in settings, just head over directly to security. Then here there are three indicators from Steam Guard. The green logo or the green colored Steam Guard right here, which means you are fully verified with 2FA on Steam Mobile. So that means that you can go ahead and trade without waiting for 15 days. However, on my case, it is currently on yellow, which is it just needs to be updated or it just needs to be verified through the email address associated with your Steam account. Now, if it is on red, then you haven't set up any Steam Guard from your Steam account yet. So again, for you to be able to not wait within 15 days on trading, just go ahead and set up your fully security system on Steam Guard. And that's it.